Why you need raw juice therapy. Everyone knows that consuming fresh fruit and vegetables can help us lead long and healthy lives. Today, there are more and more people consuming fruit and vegetable juices as part of their lifestyle to increase healthy life. They think it is the simplest form of prevention and cure. Most sicknesses are the direct result of the lack or deficiency of vitamins, minerals and salts needed by the body to function properly. It's important for us to make sure we have enough of those substances. Raw juice therapy can be the answer. Raw juice therapy is a way of healing and preventing sickness through an exclusive diet of fruits and vegetables juices. It is also the most effective way to bring back health and restore the body. Based on the healthlibrary.com, here are some juices needed to cure some ailments. 1. Sore throat: apricot, grapes, lemon, pineapple, prune, tomato, carrot and parsley. 2. Headache: grapes, lemon, carrot, lettuce and spinach. 3. Colds: lemon, orange, grapefruit, pineapple, carrot, onion, celery and spinach. 4. Influenza: apricot, orange, lemon, grapefruit, pineapple, carrot, onion and spinach. 5. Allergies: apricot, grapes, carrot, beet and spinach. 6. Eye disorders: apricot, tomato, carrot, celery, parsley and spinach. 7. Constipation: apple, pear, grapes, lemon, carrot, beet, spinach and watercress. 8. Diabetes: citrus fruits, carrot, celery, lettuce and spinach. 9. Acne: grapes, pear, plum, tomato, cucumber, carrot, potato and spinach. 10. Asthma: apricot, lemon, pineapple, peach, carrot, radish and celery. You may drink the juice every 3 hours or take 5 to 6 times a day until you feel better. The quantity of juice on each occasion may be 250 milliliters on the first day and increased by 50 milliliters each succeeding day till you can take 600 milliliters on each occasion. If you want to do raw juice therapy, here are things you must consider giving the best juice for your body. Drink the juice immediately after you make it. Use only fresh ripe fruits and vegetables. Extract fruits and vegetables only as much as you need for immediate consumption. Oxidation happens rapidly in fruit and vegetables after you make them into juice. If you store them too long, they might lose the medicinal value. For example, apples turn brown so quickly. Add water if the juice is too sweet, especially for diabetics. Enjoy your favorite juice. Like, comment and subscribe for more videos.